If you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but just didn't, if you ever wanted to start something online, maybe online business, but you didn't, you probably didn't know where to start or wasn't sure if it was going to be a waste of time. And that's why a lot of people don't get started, is because they're not sure what to do next. Well, this video is for you. I've created a community. That community is all about you creating digital assets at the foundation, but part of that is first 15 days of every month we do what's called a YouTube channel sprint, and that's only a part of it. So I built the app that's going to help you narrow down what the channel is going to be about and what the titles can be for the next 30 days for that subject matter. And these are not just any titles. These are titles designed to grow your channel psychologically based on your specific content. I'll talk more about that on Sunday. Sunday is early founders access. You get an overview of how the challenge goes, but you also get to test it out before February 1st. And it's a one-time payment, whereas if you wait until the 1st, it's $47 a month. But founders access is $97, one-time charge, which means you can take the challenge every month, 1st through the 15th of every month, for no additional charge. You get admission to the community for every month, no additional charge. You get access to the tools. I built this YouTube app. You get access to other tools that I build, and there are already some other AI tools that I built that's inside the community for no additional charge. And that is because everything's not fixed yet. You get to give me feedback and help me to make sure everything is good to go for February 1st. So you get to start early, you get to test the stuff out early, you get to contribute possibly to the direction of how things go by being a founder, and that's why you get the benefit of paying a one-time charge for the whole year. So I look forward to seeing you on Sunday, where we talk more in detail about what to expect for February 1st through the 15th if you're interested in growing the business online. By the way, I recommend you stop posting online. If you post on social media, you should stop until you do something like what we're talking about in this challenge, and that is create digital assets first. That way, whenever you're posting, whether it's on social media or you're creating a YouTube channel, it's for a reason that benefits you long term. So if you're interested, come join us Sunday and click the link below. So when you pay, the first thing you'll do is you'll be inside the insiders, the founders access community, and there will be training that will have you with your first digital asset in 30 minutes or less. And then you join us Sunday, where if you have questions, you can answer questions, but other than the questions, then I'll talk about what to expect for the YouTube challenge on the 1st. And I will actually walk you through how everything runs. That way you get to play with the tools and go through the system, and I get feedback before the actual challenge starts, if that makes sense. I look forward to seeing you Sunday. And I'll be in my destination then. I won't be talking so fast. Hey, y'all have a great day. All right, you guys, I made it to the DR. Got to go to the grocery store real quick, and then I'm going to go in there and get this content ready for Sunday. I look forward to seeing you there. 2026 is going to be all of us. It's going to be our year. And we're going to work together and make things happen. All right?